Are you tired of crying while cutting onions? Today we're counting down the top 5 best onion cutters in the USA that make chopping fast, easy, and mess-free. Watch till the end to find the best budget and best premium onion cutter for your kitchen. First on our list is the famous Fullstar vegetable chopper. The Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer is a popular kitchen gadget designed to make food preparation faster and easier. This 8-in-1 vegetable chopper is widely loved by home cooks because it can chop, dice, slice, and julienne vegetables in seconds. With its smart design and sharp stainless steel blades, it helps save time while cooking. One of the best features of this chopper is its large built-in container that collects chopped vegetables neatly. This helps keep kitchen counters clean and reduces mess during meal preparation. The product also includes heavy-duty stainless steel blades that stay sharp for a long time and cut vegetables evenly. The Fullstar chopper is perfect for onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, and many other vegetables. It is easy to use with a comfortable soft grip handle and a non-slip rubber base for added safety. Many users love that it can quickly chop vegetables without needing electricity. Another great advantage is its compact size. The chopper fits easily into kitchen drawers or cabinets, making storage simple and convenient. Cleaning is also easy because the product is dishwasher safe on the top rack. Overall, the Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper is an excellent kitchen tool for busy families and home cooks. Its multifunction features, strong blades, easy cleaning, and user-friendly design make it one of the best vegetable choppers available today. It is a useful gadget that can make cooking faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable every day. Coming in at number 4 is the Mueller Pro Series Onion Chopper. The Mueller, the Real Original Pro Chopper, is a popular kitchen gadget designed to make food preparation faster and easier. This multifunction vegetable chopper has been trusted by home cooks since 2013 and is widely known for its strong design and sharp stainless steel blades. With its 10-in-1 functionality, users can chop, slice, dice, grate, shred, and julienne vegetables quickly and efficiently. The chopper comes with 8 interchangeable blades that help prepare onions, tomatoes, potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and many other vegetables. Its high-quality stainless steel blades provide smooth and even cuts, making meal preparation simple and professional-looking. The sharp blades also reduce the time needed to prepare ingredients for cooking. One of the best features of this kitchen gadget is the built-in food container that catches chopped vegetables and keeps kitchen counters clean. The included food holder adds extra safety by protecting fingers while slicing small fruits and vegetables. This makes the chopper safer and easier to use for everyday cooking. The Mueller Pro Chopper is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and convenient. Users can easily remove the blades and wash the parts after use. Its compact design allows it to fit neatly into kitchen drawers or cabinets without taking up much space. Overall, the Mueller Pro Chopper is a reliable and practical kitchen tool for busy families and home cooks. Its multifunction design, sharp blades, easy cleaning, and durable construction make it one of the best vegetable choppers available today. At number 3, we have the Oralcomb Manual Food Processor Vegetable Chopper. The Oralcomb Manual Food Processor Vegetable Chopper is a compact and affordable kitchen gadget designed to make food preparation faster and easier. This portable hand-pull chopper is perfect for chopping onions, garlic, vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, and even meat. With its simple manual operation and lightweight design, it has become a popular choice for home kitchens and outdoor cooking. One of the best features of this food chopper is its pull string mechanism. Users can control the texture of food by adjusting the number of pulls. Around 10 pulls create coarse chopping, 15 pulls provide medium cuts, and 20 or more pulls can turn ingredients into a smooth puree. This makes it useful for preparing salsa, guacamole, pest smoothies, and many other recipes. The chopper includes 3 sharp 422 stainless steel blades that cut ingredients evenly and efficiently. The blades are rust-resistant and designed for long-lasting performance. It can chop onions in seconds without causing tears and helps mince garlic without leaving strong smells on hands. Another advantage of the Oralcomb chopper is that it does not require electricity. Its portable and compact size makes it ideal for camping, traveling, RV cooking, picnics, and outdoor barbecues. The easy-to-use design also saves time and reduces effort during meal preparation. Cleaning the chopper is simple because many parts are dishwasher safe. Overall, the Oralcomb manual food processor is a practical and budget-friendly kitchen tool that offers convenience, portability, and fast chopping performance for everyday cooking needs. Taking the second spot is the Black Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper. The Black Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance designed to make everyday food preparation simple and fast. This electric food chopper is ideal for chopping onions, garlic, herbs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and many other ingredients. With its lightweight design and powerful 150-watt motor, it is a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this food chopper is its one-touch pulse control. Users can easily press the button to chop or mince ingredients quickly while controlling the texture of the food. Whether preparing salsa, sauces, breadcrumbs, or salad ingredients, the chopper delivers fast and even results. The appliance includes durable bi-level stainless steel blades that stay sharp for long-lasting performance. These blades are designed to chop ingredients evenly and efficiently, reducing meal preparation time. The 1.5 cup capacity bowl is perfect for small cooking tasks and daily kitchen use. Another useful feature is the oil holes located on the lid. This allows users to slowly add oil while mixing ingredients for hummus, vinaigrettes, or dressings without creating a mess. The compact design also helps save space in kitchen cabinets and countertops. Cleaning is quick and convenient because the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Users can easily wash the bowl, lid, and blades after cooking. Overall, the Black Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper is an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly kitchen gadget. Its powerful motor, sharp blades, easy controls, and compact size make it an excellent choice for busy home cooks. And finally, our number one pick is the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a powerful and compact kitchen appliance designed to make food preparation quick and easy. With its 350-watt motor and 3-cup capacity, this electric food chopper is perfect for chopping onions, vegetables, herbs, nuts, and many other ingredients. Its simple design and strong performance make it a popular choice for home kitchens. One of the best features of this appliance is the patented stack and press design. Users simply stack the lid on top of the bowl and press down to chop. There is no difficult twist lock system, making the chopper very easy to assemble and operate. Releasing the lid immediately stops the chopping process, giving users better control over food texture. The durable stainless steel blades are designed to chop, mince, puree, and emulsify ingredients efficiently. The chopper works well for preparing salsa, hummus, sauces, dressings, dips, and even homemade baby food. It can quickly process onions, carrots, nuts, herbs, and other tough ingredients with ease. Another useful feature is the oil dispenser located on the lid. This allows users to slowly add oil while mixing sauces and dressings without creating a mess. The compact 3-cup bowl is large enough for everyday cooking while still being small enough for easy storage. Cleaning is simple because the bowl, lid, and removable blades are dishwasher safe. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is a reliable, easy-to-use, and affordable kitchen gadget. Its strong motor, sharp blades, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for busy home cooks. So, which onion cutter did you like the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing kitchen gadget videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.